And as 4th of July festivities kick off across the region, the weather may not be what we had hoped. Kristin, will there be any dry days ahead?
We will have some nice dry time. It looks like on Independence Day itself. And this activity now is really starting to bubble up as we head across the area this evening. And we have more of it on the way, especially tomorrow. It depends on how far north or south you are, the timing of it. First of all, we'll start off with a new flash flood warning that's in effect now for portions of Beaver County and also Columbiana and Hancock counties as you head over into the northern panhandle of West Virginia and over across the border into Ohio. You can see a little bit of lightning here, some very heavy downpours. The warning goes really through about 9:15 this evening. If this activity moves out, they always could cancel it earlier. But the fear with some of these isolated, small but very heavy downpours is that we've already had one round of rain today in many spots that dropped almost up to an inch. So when we get this small but heavy downpour dropping another half an inch to an inch of rain across the same area, we could potentially look at some flash flooding starting. So that's why they issued that warning. Also, this warning goes until 7:15 for portions of Westmoreland County, Greensburg off to the east, and just the very southern sliver of Indiana County. Same situation there. That heavier cell is starting to push off to the east, but there's also heavy rain a little bit further to the south of there into central Westmoreland County. We're back up to 79 degrees in Pittsburgh, where we had rain, cooled things off, then we warmed back up. Now temperatures all across the area going to hover down in those mid to lower 70s this evening. The Riverhounds game going on tonight. I know the Pirates are playing. We have fireworks displays across many areas tonight, and it's just going to be hit or miss with these downpours. But the good news is after sunset, we should start to see this die off just a bit. Now, the severe outlook for the rest of tonight through tomorrow morning. We are under an isolated or marginal risk. Tomorrow, the slight risk or a slightly higher risk right around I-70 to the south increases. The biggest threats again tomorrow would be storms with damaging wind, some possible hail, and again, that threat of flash flooding. That could become more pronounced tomorrow because of these downpours today. If we get more of the same storms on top of those areas tomorrow, we'll have to keep our eyes and ears open for the chance for flash flooding. You can see all of this marching to the east with this wave of low pressure. And then off to the west, there's another round that's really over portions of central Illinois and down toward Missouri. That activity will be pushing our way through tomorrow and Monday. So the similar setup tonight, tomorrow, and Monday. Isolated but potentially heavy downpours at times. It won't be everyone everywhere. But right around fireworks time tonight, Futurecast is still trying to keep some of these downpours in effect, especially north of Pittsburgh. By tomorrow morning, we start off mostly dry for a few hours, and then by 10-11, areas to the north will be under the gun for potential showers and storms earlier tomorrow. In the afternoon, evening, that focus will shift south of Pittsburgh down toward I-70 and areas to the south. But everybody could see a shower or a thunderstorm, as Futurecast is showing, at any time tomorrow. So just stay weather aware. We'll keep you updated if any watches or warnings are issued. Monday, less of a severe threat, but still the threat of scattered showers and an isolated thunderstorm throughout the day. As we head through Sunday, temperatures in the 80s, and then as we head toward Independence Day, things warm up, but we dry out. Partly cloudy Tuesday, great for Tuesday night, but it's going to be steamy the middle of next week.